Hello everyone, welcome to Bliss Boy Gaming channel. My name is h.ear. So today we're going to talk about headphones, or I call it headsets, coming from Sony, the Sony MDR-100AAP model, which is a wired headphones. So I have one of these. I bought this like a few years back. It's about 3 years already. I've been using it for gaming, for watching movies, right? And it's been performing really well, but we have this problem here. Let me just show you the headset. Right here it is. So there are a lot of wear and tear there. Here, wear and tear, you know, this ear pads, right? So actually, these ear padding can be replaced. You can change it just buying the replacement ear pads. You know, for Sony ones, it's gonna cost quite some money there, because it's roughly about slightly above 100 ringgit for one of those. I'm gonna put the link in the picture on screen over here, right? Somewhere over here, and so you can look at the picture, right? And of course, I'm gonna put the information in the description below, so you can go check it out. And of course, there are some third-party ones which cost much lower price. So I've bought some of this. I bought a pair of these headsets. So I'm going to unwrap this packaging to replace the ear pads on my Sony headsets. All right. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright, there you go. This is one pair of the replacement ear pads for the Sony MDR-100AAP headsets, right? So these are the new ones. Looks perfect. Wow, these are made by eco leather. They are all non-genuine leather. It's just artificial leather. We call it eco leather. Yep. So it's soft. The wire netting here is feels made of good quality. Yep. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can refer to that. Right. So it comes in a pair. So let me just see. Let me just unplug the original ones and replace with the new ones. Right. So how I'm gonna do it, you just flip this part open, just pry it open. There you go. There, it's out, right? And we're gonna do the same for the other side. Unplug the ear pads off the headphones itself. So there's a bit of dirt over here, so why not, let's clean it up. Just blow away the dirt. The dirt is falling off on the table here. I think you can see it on camera. There's some dirt over here, some dust. So So if you notice, there's this padding over here, like a rubber piece. There, look, rubber piece over here, right? Leave it there because it doesn't come with a new one. You need to snap it on like that. Yep. All right. So if you're new to this channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel to support me in making more videos, right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right, so I'm gonna plug in this new ear pads. There you go. It fits perfectly well. There, it's just snap on. And here's another one. And do pay attention, it does come, it's actually directional. This is the left, this is for the left side. It has the notch over here for the speaker cable, for the headphone jack over here, so it does have a notch over here, right? So do pay attention to that. Whereas this one doesn't. It just goes straight all the way through. It's a whole complete circle without the little notch over here, right? So do pay attention to that. So over here, we're gonna install the Earpads to the headphone itself. Let's see. Yep. It should fit well like what I did on the other side, but just can't find the leverage to press it onto it. Yeah, it should fit properly. Yeah. I'll put this the other way. There. There you go. Fit. There you go. Fit. As good as new. There, it can be folded. Right. Alright, I know you guys, some of you guys like the whole unboxing experience, right? So, fortunately I keep the box, right? So here's the box. Here's the box, and here's the contents of the box. Right? I know you guys like the unboxing experience. So this is the contents of the box. Open up. That's the speaker holder. That's the sticker for you to stick the Sony logo over here. Yeah, it's come with it. Right? It does have a carry case and some quick start guide. The operating instruction, right? So that's all in the box. Yep, that's what you get from in the box, right? So here's the box. Here's what you get out of the box. Yep. I like to call this a reverse unboxing because I already opened it up roughly 3 years ago, and I just kind of want to make this video to share that these Earpads can be easily replaced. So the details of where I bought those are in the link. The details of where I bought those are actually shared in the link in the description. Do look at the description, check it out, right? So please don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, right? Thank you for watching. So yeah, I'll throw it away.